Hi everyone, Tahara Ezrahti here. I'm at Ledbetter Beach in Santa Barbara, California, and I wanted to let you know about a new class I have coming up. It's the Introduction to Clairvoyant Healing, but this one is a little bit different than they have been before. It's still a 10-week course. It's in person in Goleta. It's also on Zoom if you wanted to attend that way. And it's called Build Your Psychic Skills. And so we'll still do the foundational things of grounding, learning how to read auras, learning how to clear and balance your chakras, learning how to use color, but we'll spend more time learning about how to read and heal past lives, how to communicate with animals, how to communicate with people who are nonverbal or unconscious, and also how to read and connect with people who have passed on. In addition, we'll look at spiritual contracts. So anyway, it's dealing with a little bit more of the kind of universal oneness, spiritual energy, not to the exclusion of learning how to manage your own energy, but in addition. So anyway, I hope you check it out, and you can always attend the first class for free. And there's more information on my website, which is appliedintuition.org. Thanks.